family, Asaya here, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to identify key trading areas using the Phoenix Edge indicator. This video is specifically geared toward beginner traders. Okay, first things first, when you're pulling up any asset, make sure you're utilizing black bull market charts because the indicator settings are optimized for this brokerage and you'll get the most accurate signal behavior. Next, let's make sure that we choose the correct candle style before we start adjusting our session settings. If you're trading on a desktop computer, it's simple. Just navigate to the bar style drop-down menu on your chart and select Heikinashi. If you're trading from your mobile device, start by tapping the three dots at the bottom of your chart, then scroll down and select chart type, and then from there choose Heikinashi. Perfect. Now that we've got that handled, let's move on to our session settings. Now, if you only trade during specific sessions like London or New York, you can adjust that directly in the inputs. You can change the session time, session color, and also enable filter entries by sessions. If you want to see signals across all sessions and all time frames, simply uncheck that option. Next is risk management. Your TP and your SL should match your trading style, meaning scalpers, tighter targets, intraday traders, balanced risk, swing traders, wider structure-based stops. The filters for beginner traders that are recommended are as follows. The edge filter you want to have turned on. This is for cleaner, more regulated signals. Your MA confluence or your moving average confluence you also want to have on, so you're only taking trades aligned with the overall trend. Before taking any trade, we do a top-down analysis. For indices, futures, and metals, start on the 1-hour chart. For Forex pairs, start on the 4-hour chart. Then, we use the vertical bars to identify market structure and direction. Then once the trend is clear, drop down to lower time frames and only take signals that meet these criteria. Signals printed in or off of an order block. This is how an order block looks here. Signals printed at support or resistance, or supply and demand. This is what that looks like here. Signals printed from a zone with matching momentum. Use the Phoenix scanner down here at the bottom to identify momentum. Practice this consistently on a demo account. Backtest your setups and let the indicator teach you how it behaves before you go live. With that being said, welcome to the Phoenix family. We look forward to helping you achieve your trading goals. Any additional questions or concerns, please direct your line of inquiry to any of the admins, and we'll be sure to help you in the best way possible.